Hi everyone, today is Thursday, November 12th, and we are going to do some more long division practice. You should have a worksheet that looks just like this that your math teacher gave you the last time you were at school. It's titled Long Division Practice. You do not need your notebook today. If you notice, we gave you some nice grid lines here so that everything would automatically be lined up. You just need to put one digit into each space as you write. Let's go ahead and do the first one together, and then you'll get it right on this Google form. So find that worksheet. We're going to start with our steps for long division. If you have your bookmark, you should most definitely take it out. Here we go. The first step is to divide. So I'm going to take a look at my problem here, and I'm going to see how many times does 2 go into that first digit. It's a 4. Well, 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. My next step is to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. I'm going to check 0 is less than my divisor, so I know I haven't made any mistakes yet. I can do the next step, which is to bring down. Here's where things get a little bit interesting. We're bringing down a 0. Okay, so now I'm going to do my next step, and it feels a little bit strange. I'm doing 0 divided by 2. So how many times does 2 go into 0? 0. 0 is still a real number. We have to count it. So I'm going to put a 0 up here at the top. I'm going to multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. This is getting weird. 0 minus 0 is 0. I'm going to check. 0 is less than 2. Now I can bring down a digit. And finally, it's a 6. I can do some math here. All right, I'm going to drop down the 6. And now I'm back to doing it again. I'm back to my divide step. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 is less than 2, so I'm okay to keep going. I'm going to bring down my final digit. It's a 4. And now I'm going to do it all again. I'm going to divide. 2 goes into 4 2 times. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 is less than 2. There is nothing left for me to bring down. I don't need to do it again. This time the D stands for done. There's my answer for the first problem, 2032. Now, you'll notice on the paper it doesn't ask you for an estimate, but we should always make sure that we put one in. Sometimes you can do it before you start. Sometimes you can do it after. It doesn't really matter as long as you check your work. I'm going to put it right under this box here, my estimate. And this was an easy one. I'm going to think of this number as 4,000 divided by 2. So I know my estimate is about 2,000. My answer was just over 2,000. I feel pretty confident in my work. All of the problems on this worksheet are in this Google form, so you can go ahead and solve them on the worksheet and then input your answers onto the form. This worksheet needs to come to school with you on Monday, the next time that you see your math teacher. I wish you the best of luck.